How to make your own script in Roblox. First, load your game and execute infinite yield. First, type up anti-kick in infinite yield. Then r-spy. Now wait for the game to load. After loading, go pick up an apple in the game. Once you did, check the remotes and replay to see it works. As you could see, it works, so copy it. Now time to flip your phone and use ChatGPT. Once you're in there, put your code. And just tell him make an GUI using the same code, just change the names to the tools. Just follow what I say. Just wait for the code to load. After it loaded, copy it and load in Roblox. Go in the same game you went. Just make a saved script like how I'm doing so you could keep it forever. After that, go in the main game. Now execute your AI script. Look, there you go. Now you have it tested. If it don't work, let ChatGPT update it. See mine work. Anyway, see you later.